Hi there, my name's Paul Wilson. I'm CEO and co-founder at Lumen. Our screen is in all of your rooms. It's a touch screen that's designed to help you stay in contact with your friends and family, community, and the building itself.
Welcome to the Lumen family. We're here to talk to you about Lumen. I'm Emily, the Relationship Manager, and this is Pete, who uses Lumen at home.
This is the Lumen screen.
The Lumen screen can help you feel safer, more connected, and entertained. Our team is full of dedicated, passionate people who are there every step of the way. Lumen Support is available Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, and you can contact us in several ways. You can call us on your mobile phone, you can email us, you can speak with your village manager, or you can call them direct from the screen. Thanks, Pete.
Hi Peter, how are you? What can I do for you today?
You'll notice that this screen has been personalised just for me. This wonderful Lumen screen provides you with access to your friends, your family, your community, and also provides you with safety features within your apartment. One of the most important features for me is how do I reach help if I need it. Your village may have selected a pendant, a wall button, or an emergency button on your Lumen screen.
We're notifying me packs now.
Hello Mr. Wilson, it's Vika. Do you need help?
Everything I need is at the touch of a button. Using my Lumen screen, I can give my friends access to the building. Let me make a call to someone in my village. These are members in my community. Let me make a call to Carol and Barry, close friends of mine. And I think this afternoon we will video. Hi Barry, hi Carol, nice to see you both.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
As Pete's shown you, Lumen is an easy way to stay in communication by audio or video call with the people in your village. But you can also use it as your home phone or answering machine by contacting Lumen Support for more information.
The second tile is called Messages. The Today tile is like the calendar on your fridge, except it's on your screen. Do you want to know the current news? Press here on the screen. And to enlarge the font, do you want to know the weather? Press here. If you click here on the photo tile, you will see a carousel of pictures of friends, family, and your village. The community tile is showing you what is happening in your village. Inside the community tile is the resident handbook, which is a digital compendium with all the information you need about your village. The My Community tile shows what's on in the village. It lists special events, activities, newsletters, facilities and services, and you can also create a maintenance request. The tile which I use the most is the entertainment tile. I find podcasts really interesting. Explore it. I promise you, you'll enjoy it. When I was a child, I wished I could listen to worldwide radio. Now with my Lumen, I can. Contact Lumen Support and they can add radio stations in any language from anywhere in the world. Lumen TV gives you access to regularly updated videos. You can select the topics that interest you and even tune into some live events. The Wellness tile has videos, articles and recipes. And last but not least, there's the Games tile, with games like chess, drafts and patience. Lumen also offers a free app for your personal smart devices. Contact Lumen Customer Service.
Pete can also invite his family and friends to download the free Lumen Supporters App. Pete's supporters can communicate with him from anywhere in the world by video or phone call. They can send messages and photographs. It's a really easy way to stay in touch.
If you've got any feedback or queries, you can of course contact our customer service team